Every growing company eventually hits a ceiling. The orders multiply, the staff expands, and then, without warning, the operational engine grinds to a dead stop. Usually, the culprit is the software. Off-the-shelf platforms that worked for a team of 10 buckle under the weight of specific, complex workflows. The business outgrows its tools, forcing teams into convoluted manual workarounds. The immediate instinct is to build a full-time internal engineering team to fix it. But sourcing, vetting, and onboarding front-end developers, back-end engineers, and DevOps specialists takes months. It drains capital before a single line of code is written. When companies pivot to outsourcing work to decentralized freelancers, you end up with individuals juggling multiple clients, rather than a unified team. This fragmentation results in missed messages and misaligned goals. Operating in silos stalls progress, leading to unpredictable timelines. The business enters a vacuum. They need specialized technical integration to handle their growth, but they lack the structured internal engine required to build it. Neglecting a scalable software strategy leads to repeated capital loss and delayed product launches, ultimately capping the business's ability to expand into new markets. Escaping that bottleneck requires moving away from chaotic outsourcing into a single-focus environment. This is the dedicated software development model. Instead of a loose network of freelancers, you secure a cohesive unit of front-end, back-end, QA, and DevOps engineers who operate as a direct extension of your internal team. As this flowchart shows, the process starts with a blueprinting phase. Before any coding begins, the team maps out the functional requirements, system structure, and the tech stack to ensure everything aligns with your business goals. Once the blueprint is locked, the project moves into agile delivery. Complex features are broken down into smaller, actionable tasks, grouped into rapid execution cycles known as sprints. Throughout these sprints, the code undergoes continuous automated quality assurance checks and rapid bug fixes. This cycle of real-time feedback allows engineers to make adjustments without halting forward momentum. From there, the updates move through a CI/CD, or continuous integration and continuous deployment pipeline. This practice ensures that every stable block of code rolls out safely, flowing into a live environment. Even after the product goes live, the lifecycle continues. The dedicated team monitors the software, tracks performance metrics, and optimizes features based on real user behavior. Maintaining full product ownership within one dedicated team reduces technical debt and repeated work. The result is a timeline you can trust and an end product that matches the initial blueprint. These custom digital frameworks must hold up in demanding physical environments. In the logistics sector, generic applications cannot manage complex global supply chains. Logistics firms rely on custom software to execute route optimization and automated dispatching to prevent operational delays. In the finance sector, the requirements change. Digital banking demands secure architectures capable of processing real-time payment gateways while running automated compliance validations. Healthcare providers need platforms built with precision to handle remote patient tracking, predictive diagnosis, and secure medical device integration. To meet these variations, a dedicated team adapts their technology stack. They may deploy React.js for an e-commerce checkout flow, or Node.js to handle the back-end data loads of a rental management system. Off-the-shelf software functions for general administrative tasks. But only a dedicated, custom-built framework can survive the specific stress tests of global industries. All of this structured development eventually shows up in the company's bottom line. The balance between capital expenditure and technological output stabilizes. You stop paying for the repeated work and bug-ridden launches that come with disjointed freelancers, and you avoid the overhead of a massive internal hiring process. Because the team understands the product roadmap, they can pivot to integrate new market trends, like Generate AI or blockchain, as your company evolves. This graph shows upward business revenue mirrored by developer team size, expanding in proportion to the company's growth. When the revenue metric rises, the team structure scales, adding specialized skills to match new business requirements. Technology serves its purpose when it enables rather than hinders. Partnering with a dedicated software team avoids hiring hurdles and predictable delays, keeping tools aligned with your roadmap.